Popular social media critic Martins Vincent Otter, also known as Very Dark Man (VDM), has spoken out about an embarrassing experience he had in Jos, Plateau State. He said he faced hostility from some residents after he called out the state governor, Caleb Mutfwang, over recent killings in Bokos and Bassa areas. VDM explained in a new video that he traveled to Jos to see the situation for himself, but once he arrived, some locals recognized him and were unhappy with his earlier criticism. He said some people spoke about him in their native language, asking if he was the one who insulted the governor. Things got worse when another person refused to shake his hands during an outing. This made VDM very upset. He expressed his frustration towards politicians in general, not just the Plateau State governor. He said he doesn't regret speaking up about the violence and promised to keep raising his voice until something is done.
Alright? You see the problem with this country, you see tribalism and Stockholm syndrome, they affect a lot of us, right? So, right now, as I'm talking to you, I'm in Jos, right? I just landed Jos today. Wetin carry me come Jos because of the killing where they happen for Jos. They killed a lot of people in Bokos, they killed a lot of people in Bassa. So I said, okay, you know what? As I come, I'll go give them relief materials. Then ask them some questions. They ask them some things, make we know what they happen, right? As I touch Jos, as I just touch down Jos, first of all, inside the plane, you get one woman where face they look me with bad eye. When she came down, because of the armies and the police where they wait for her, I realized she should be a politician, but I didn't give a flying F about her, right? So as I come down and they wait for my car, that's how some people in my front, about 6 of them, they start to talk, say, Bashine, Zage governor, ba? Like, nobody, this guy saw the governor, they call the momo. Cut long story short, the car will come, the car carry me, I go, right? Next thing, this evening, somebody I respect so much invited me somewhere. Coincidentally, there are some people there that are loyal to the governor, right? Now, obviously, they are angry about the video that I did about the governor. According to them, I insulted the governor, right? So I reached there, I shake the first person hand. As I want to shake this particular guy hand, the guy bounced my hand. The guy just looked me up and down. Come east. I just looked at him and I told him, I said, you bounce my hand because you feel I insult your governor. I said, you bounce my hand in public because you feel I insult your governor, bro. Do you think I just woke up in the morning and started talking about your governor? I spoke because people are dying, bro. I spoke because a lot of people are dying. They are leaving a lot of kids without parents. People, they die for Bokos. This is not the first time. I came to Jos last year. People died on the 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th. People died. I went to Bokos. I carried people's bones. People were burnt in a car, bro.
Some people supported him for standing up against injustice, while others said he was being too dramatic or disrespectful. Despite the backlash, Very Dark Man says he's not afraid and he will keep speaking out, even without security protection. This situation comes as protests continue in Plateau State over the ongoing violence, which has caused fear and sadness in the region. While VDM's new revelation has ignited reactions online, we will continue to supply you more news updates as this story unfolds. Keep watching Naija News TV.